Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. So today is an exciting day because I was looking forward to today. So today we are at the MOTO Fest. It's called the Coventry MOTO Fest and they have it every year from 1st to 2nd of June. And it's super nice because they have a display of cars, bikes, and they do drifting. Some of that I would try and show you guys. Yeah, let's see how it is. So this is the entire layout that they have. So they have the bike village, the car display, Coventry, Conquerors, International Street Food, Innovation Zone, Motorfest, Motorsport, Sprint Circuit, Viewing Arena.
Here we go. No times. This is strictly for fun and for them and to demonstrate rally to you. Rally does start. If you've never seen rally before, it is standing start. A round of applause for the stall start. That did not want to go off. We'll get there. Okay. So in rallying, you do have a co-driver. He has a set of notes, guidance, instructions, whatever. That one's a bit louder. So another Mark II Escort. If you're driving the Mark II Escort properly, the back end will not stay behind the front wheels. It always tries to pass it. It's a rule.
Fun to watch all the cars just driving through. You can't move close because there's safety concerns and a lot of the security. But they do have nice booths where you can stand and see the race. And they also do have some virtual some virtual driving which you can do, which is super fun. So we'll be done with this area and then we go on to the next and then see what else is there. So I would really want to see the drifting, but I don't know where it is, so we'll find where it is and then we'll go there. So here they have some of the old standard vehicles made in Coventry.
That's good, that.
Beautiful cars.
Oh yeah.
So they have over like 500 cars, 200 motorcycles, and they have 50 ring road years, 5 action zones. They also have 3 music stages. TR6. This is a 1967 Humber. This is a Lanka.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, absolutely. And sounds superb. I mean, I like the Stratos as well.
Now we're headed to where they have the bikes. Honda CBR. So these are some of the stalls they have over here with their bikes. Coventry Transport Museum. And just outside they're having the MOTO Fest. So this is a replica of the Bloodhound, which holds the fastest land speed record. So this is where the eateries are. So we're headed to work, feeling hungry, want to eat something. We'll take a break and have something to eat. So this is where all the small counters are. Come and grab a bite.
That's what I was thinking originally. I was like,
I used to do a camera.
So I picked up a hot dog. Let's taste it and see how it is. And we'll continue moving at the same time.
yeah.
So this is a smaller play area. They have to pitch with a lot of rides. Bungee jumping. Monster trucks.